Hello, lovely viewers. Are you tired of juggling heavy shopping bags or making multiple trips back to your car? Well, I've got you covered. Today we're diving into the world of folding shopping carts, a game changer for anyone who loves convenience and practicality. I've lined up 5 fantastic options for you. Each cart brings its own unique twist, and I can't wait to share all the juicy details. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's explore the top 5 best folding shopping carts. In number 1, let's kick things off with the VersaCart Transit, a cart that screams durability and functionality. This baby comes with a water-resistant heavy-duty canvas cover that keeps your groceries or belongings safe from sudden downpours, perfect if you're caught in unpredictable weather. The double front swivel wheels make navigating through crowded markets or narrow aisles a breeze. It's lightweight at just 9 pounds, but holds up to a whopping 120 pounds of goods. Now let's talk practicality. It folds compactly for easy storage, so you can tuck it away without hogging space. But hey, I have to be real here. Some users find it a tad bulky when folded, and while the blue color adds personality, it might not match everyone's style. If you're after something sturdy, easy to maneuver, and weather resistant, this is a solid choice. Whether you're running errands or lugging heavy loads, the VersaCart Transit delivers. Up next in number 2, we have the Klax Original Folding Shopping Cart, and let me tell you, this one means business. Designed in Germany, it's all about high-quality engineering and versatility. The collapsible design and included storage crate are a dream for those of you who need extra organization on the go. It's perfect for shopping, hauling supplies, or even as a mobile work companion. But there's always a but. It's a little on the heavy side at 20.95 pounds. And it does come with a higher price tag. If you're willing to invest in premium quality, this cart won't let you down. Just think of it as the Mercedes-Benz of shopping carts. Verdict: ideal for multitaskers and anyone who values durability. Yes, it's heavy, but it's worth the lift for the convenience it brings. In number 3, we have the Strolley Personal Luxury Folding Shopping Cart. Okay, let's add some luxury to your shopping game. The Strolley cart is a beauty with its ultra-lightweight aluminum frame and ergonomic design. Weighing just 6 pounds, it's super easy to handle, yet it can carry up to 75 pounds. Pretty impressive, right? Plus, it comes with a removable shopping bag and lower grocery storage, so you've got room to organize your haul like a pro. Here's a heads up though. This cart's height might not be ideal for shorter individuals, and if you're a bulk shopper, you might want something with a higher capacity. Also, while the Shadow Vi 2 color looks sleek and modern, it's not for everyone. Verdict: for lightweight grocery runs or a stylish shopping companion, the Strolley cart checks all the boxes. It's functional, elegant, and oh so easy to use. Next in number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Foldable Shopping Utility Cart. Now, here's a classic from a brand we all know and trust, Amazon Basics. This cart is all about practicality. The 360-degree swivel wheels make it incredibly nimble, and the X-large size ensures you can carry a generous load in one trip, saving you time and effort. It's also foldable, so you can stash it away without breaking a sweat. But here's the kicker. While it's sturdy, the weight capacity isn't ideal for heavier loads, and its size might be a tight squeeze for those with limited storage space. If you want a no-frills, reliable cart for everyday shopping, this one is a winner. Affordable, functional, and easy to handle. What's not to like? Finally, at number 5, we have the Siakio Collapsible Wagon Cart. With a jaw-dropping 330-pound capacity, this cart is a beast. It's perfect for beach outings, camping trips, or hauling sports gear. And the all-terrain wheels, absolute magic. They roll smoothly over sand, gravel, or grass without breaking a sweat. But let's be real, it's heavy and a bit bulky, even when folded. Also, it only comes in black, which might feel a bit plain for some. That said, its sturdy construction makes it worth considering if you need a cart that can handle serious weight. Verdict: this is your go-to if you're all about durability and heavy-duty use. It's a bit on the bulkier side, but its performance on any surface more than makes up for it. So, which folding shopping cart stole your heart? The VersaCart Transit is a reliable all-rounder, while the Klax cart oozes premium vibes. The Strolley cart is perfect for quick, stylish trips, and the Amazon Basics cart offers practical simplicity. For those big tasks, you can't beat the rugged Siakio Wagon Cart. Remember, the best cart depends on your lifestyle and needs. Whether it's for groceries, camping, or tackling the great outdoors, there's a perfect cart out there for you. Let me know in the comments which one you're eyeing, or if you've already got a favorite. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome reviews. Happy shopping, everyone!